All right, so you can see the coilovers are in. You can see the difference in the wheel gap. And now we're at the Subaru dealer and we're gonna have it aligned. And here he comes now, the man. Marco's gonna take it first alignment after the coilovers have been put in.
Were you recording there yesterday?
Yes.
You recorded me in the blue one?
That was you? He was in the blue Subaru. Okay, yeah, you'll be in the video.
And then you can see the steering angle sensor. So I put this here so I know that the steering wheel is straight. And right here, you see where it's 0? So if I were to do this, and you see, look how it moves.
Yeah.
Angles. So I put it in 0, and then I hold it with this. So that way it won't move when I'm working on that. So you see right now it's 0. It has cameras up here. There's a camera right here. And then you see the red. So if I block, you see how it's red?
Yep.
Now it's green. So right now you're crooked a little bit.
Oh, wow.
So I want this one like this.
Uh-huh.
Because what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make these two straight. You see how they're straight?
Right.
Then? So you want these two and this straight. But you want it towed in so that way when you hit that road crown, it keeps your car straight. So if you look at the road crown, if you're on the left lane, then it's gonna push you to the center, and if you're on the right lane, it's gonna push you to the center. So that way the car rides straight. I'm gonna fix this a little because you can still, you see how here's the minimum, preference and maximum. But right here, I'm gonna try to make it to the 0, which is like right here, right here.
That was quick.
Yeah, because it was already there, but it just needed just minimum adjustment. Now we're gonna do the top. They're brand new. Try to get them even.
That's perfectly even, isn't it?
Yeah, now when you drop the car,
Let's see what comes up.
go down.
Uh-oh.
This one? Oh, I like it straight. So you see how it comes and goes?
You put it at 0?
Yeah, I put it at 0. It keeps, you know how this machine gets.
Well, I think it keeps wiggling. I didn't know if you like 0 or not.
Not necessarily, because the other one is
I was looking at the camera like, yeah, it's not camera. It's got coils.
It gave me a little bit of a fight. I went to adjust it, and I loosened the, yes. And I was like, oh man, it went way too far. But then he liked it.
The biggest numbers you really want to look are your thrust angle and your total, because your thrust angle is the car going straight. So if your thrust angle is negative or positive, it's gonna push you one way or the other as you're driving down the road. So the back of the car, if the back of the car is, say, towed in on one side, it can actually cause you to go to the right.
There, I fixed that rear.
Hey, look at you. Did you just run back there real quick?
Yeah, I went back there while you were talking.
Because your camber is gonna, your camber will change every time you go around a corner. Like this, right, as you're driving normal, and the tire is kind of like this. But as soon as you like make a left-hand turn, it's gonna lean itself all the way and make full contact with
Right.
You use all of the tires.
Final number.
Oh, you can't get any better than that. It's dead even all the way
And
around.
if I get really OCD,
That'll take a little bit, but you can get it. I mean, you have to be way off for those. But these are, I mean, to have the exact camera in the back, that's awesome. You're within 3/100ths of a degree.
Yeah, right.
15 more stretch T. I ain't worried about that. It takes a lot to go over them. So you need a... Oh my God. You got it's close.
I didn't wear it because the car sits a little high.
Look at that.
It's
Didn't touch it. That's as
not
close as you can get.
get.
Yeah, but I'll... Look at that. In the next video, I'll show you how I can adjust the feel of the suspension. Then we'll go for a drive and I'll share my thoughts on all the upgrades that were added. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, let me know by giving it a thumbs up. And be sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification to know when new car story videos are posted. Until then, thanks for watching. Goodbye for now.